take a minute to stretch your body for the morning. And choose one of these exercises here. Stretch your arms, your legs, or your neck. You can choose an exercise card from your classroom, or just come up with your own way to stretch your body. Now, take a moment to practice a breathing exercise. You can choose one of these here, or just simply breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Mindful breathing.